It's almost time. All week, we're talking taxes. Can be very stressful time of year for many. April 15th, the deadline to file without an extension. Now less than 2 months away.
Yeah, and if you're like us, you probably have quite a few questions. You're trying to gather all those tax documents, W-9s, 1099s, and you may have some questions. And we've got the perfect person here to answer some of those questions.
Yes, we do. We have Mr. Jon Karp, a tax partner with the accounting firm of Whitley Penn. Certainly, he knows a thing or two, or 3, or 4, or 5 about taxes.
Yeah, so John, let's start out with just kind of some basics today. You're going to be with us all week, and we're going to talk about a number of different topics. But let's start out with, how does somebody even know if they need to file a tax return?
If your income is over the threshold, so if you make enough money, the government's going to say you have to file your tax return. And so that usually starts if you're over the standard deduction, which is $13,850. Or $27,000, double 13,850, $27,007. So that's how you know. The other way to know is if you get a 1099 NEC that's over $400 from self-employment, the government says you have to file a tax return, even if you're below that minimum, because you have to pay that self-employment tax.
So you just talked about the self-employment portion, but what about being claimed as someone's dependent?
You know, it's very interesting. That always happens when kids go to college and they start working. They think they're going to be really responsible, and they're going to go and they're going to get their tax return filed really quickly. And so they file their tax return. They file it without telling their parents. Their parents go to file their tax return and say, I have a college student who's a dependent. And then the parents get I call them love letters from the IRS saying, hey, someone else has been filed as a dependent on your tax return already. So you can only be a dependent on one tax return. But that still may mean you need to file if you have earned income.
Gotcha.
What about, speaking of earned income, what are some maybe incomes that people forget about, or areas that maybe they aren't thinking about?
So one is cars. If your employer provides a car, there's a personal usage of cars that is taxed on your W-2. The other, believe it or not, is bonuses. When taxpayers get a bonus, a lot of times that tax is only deducted at 25%. So if you're in a tax rate above 25%, you're going to owe some tax. And then there's other taxable fringe benefits like moving. If you're moving, you can't get that paid to you for free anymore when it's over 50 miles.
Interesting. So, John, that brings up some questions we have from viewers. And Shayna, she wants to know, what is your course of action if your employer did not take out any federal tax?
Well, so the first question I had when that question came up was, were you really an employee? Did you get a 1099 NEC and you were a contractor? Because they're never going to take out taxes when you get that 1099 NEC.
Yeah.
But now let's assume you're getting a W-2 and you get that W-2 and there's no taxes. This also happens a lot if you didn't make enough money towards the end of the year and the employer looks at the minimal wage and says, oh, there's no tax owed. So unfortunately, you have to pay the tax on your earned income. So you're forced to pay that tax for 2023 taxes. But the most important part is to 2024, so you don't duplicate the problem, is get into the HR, get with payroll, and make sure you get your W-4 correct, and make sure that all your exemptions are correct, and make sure you make those proper elections.
What about, I hear about bartering these days because everything's so expensive. Is bartering a taxable income?
Bartering is taxable. I actually had a case recently. It was a divorce case, and one of the spouses did a lot of bartering, and they were trying to decide how that was going to work when they tried to file that tax return and how much revenue was really in the bartering. You're supposed to pay taxes on bartering.
I know all about divorce. So what about what about how to file your taxes? You see tax prep businesses pop up all over town this time of year. What's always the best option there?
So it depends, right? So the best option is if you're uncomfortable filing your taxes, it's use a professional. But there's a lot of do-it-yourself tax software. There's, even at the IRS website, if you go to irs.gov, they have software that you can use that if your income is lower than $79,000, it's free. I know that on our slide it says 72, realize it's 79. But obviously if you're 72, it qualifies also.
Yeah, and that's kind of one of the things that you were saying, because we developed that slide and things change. I mean, each year the IRS is changing things, so you do have that free service if you follow under that threshold, but it's kind of like you were saying, it's all a case-by-case basis.
You know, in every presentation I give, I always have this disclaimer: make sure you seek advice. Don't take anything I say to the bank, because it might change by the time I'm done giving the presentation.
Yeah.
And especially if you think about what's happening in Congress, there's legislation that they could vote on, and it changes so fast.
Yeah.
And so it's really always keeping up with those changes.
And one of those changes that we're going to talk about later this week is the child tax credit, because it is literally something that's in Congress right now being decided on, and it could really impact whether you decide to file your taxes now or file that extension. So John's going to kind of weigh the differences for us later this week, so that's another reason why to tune in.
Jon, you'll be back with us tomorrow. We thank you for coming in today. You'll be with us all week. But tomorrow we're talking about tax brackets and filing status.
So how do you know if you should file married, filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household? It all gets a little complicated, but John's going to kind of break down those different qualifications and what maybe you should look for as to which one you choose on your forms. So tomorrow morning at 6:30, we hope you'll join us. Jon, thanks for being here.
Thank you.